Today we are going to review Sumo Logic. If you have not heard, please go and Google it. You will see lots of links. Otherwise, go wait for the end of this tutorial and you will learn so many things on Sumo Logic. This is LinkedIn page for Sumo Logic. Sumo Logic is a pioneer in continuous intelligence, a new category of software to address today's data challenges. Now, this is not very detailed in nature. What is meant by data challenges? So let's try to see. When I say data challenge, what is data challenge? So every application which we deploy on cloud, or every ERP or any enterprise application that we deploy today, either in-house or on cloud, we have so many tools that we use. For example, a simple application can have multiple EC2 instance, AWS Lambda, Tomcat server, Nginx server, and so many other things work for a application. Now, what if you want to evaluate the logs, matrices, and all the events that is being generated by the application, by the different tools, by the different microservices that you have deployed? What will you do? If you will start writing an application to integrate it, to analyze it, to create a reports, it will take you years to do it. But you don't have to wait for a year to do this. You can easily do that with the help of Sumo Logic. Sumo Logic is gives you all this flexibility to monitor, secure, and optimize your apps, and looks through the app logs generated by hundreds or thousands of servers, go through the metrics, and carefully observe all the events that is being generated by the application, by the different tools that you use. Don't waste your precious resource on legacy analytics solution. So, Sumo Logic Cloud Native multi-tenant platform helps you make data-driven decisions and reduce your time to investigate, secure, and operational issues. It monitors and troubleshoots, find customer impacting issues faster while also reducing your total cost of ownership. Search and investigate. Integrates real-time threat intelligence and protect every part of your hybrid environment. It also unifies your platform, accelerate your time to market, and increase quality with real-time visibility from code to production. And it gives you out-of-the-box dashboard that is really helpful. Sumo Logic is instrumental in helping DevOps team as well as the development team. It gives you analytics that is made for modern business. It will give you so much insight that you can easily take decisions. Analytics helps the team to solve issues faster and focus on creating values for your business. In the left hand side, you can see one of the dashboards, a graphical view of the information that is being given by Sumo Logic. It collects real-time data from all the servers, and the deployment can be hybrid in nature, or on-premise, or on a cloud. Sumo Logic provides out-of-the-box integrations with AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure, and as well as your hybrid and on-premise environment. You can see the testimonials that is being given by many companies which has already adapted Sumo Logic. It gives you operational efficiency, high security, and very detailed product visibility within a minute by the help of the different graphs that it represents after analyzing the millions of records of the logs that your application is generating. And if you will be able to look to the graphs, look to the logs, and analyze the logs quickly, it can definitely help you to resolve the issue quickly and proactively. Let's look at the wiki page of Sumo Logic, where it says Sumo Logic is a cloud-based machine data analytics company which is focusing on security, operations, and BI use case. It provides log management and analytics service that leverage machine-generated big data to deliver real-time IT insights. So this is very helpful. So if your organization wanted to adapt to a solution that gives you log management and a detailed BI and analytics that will help the DevOps team and the development team to analyze and fix the issue quickly, it will give you operational efficiency. Please adapt Sumo Logic in those use cases. Here you can see this is a graph for AWS where you can see the CPU utilization, memory utilization, average CPU utilization. If you want these kind of graphs, if you want to create these graphs, it will take you months to do it. But if you adapt to Sumo Logic, you can easily get all these out of the box. It gives you unlimited cloud analytics and really no time. Real-time SaaS platform to operate and secure your application on cloud scale. It empowers the people who powers modern businesses. So if your business needs more insightful information, if your engineering team needs a tool that will help them to analyze the events, analyze the logs, analyze the issues, Sumo Logic is the place where your DevOps team, your IT team can come and find the solution. And it is very easy to adapt as well. Sumo Logic has lots of certification and compliances, such as it has PCI compliant, it is PCI client, HIPAA compliant, TLS encryption it provides, ISO certified. There are so many latest security and certifications that Sumo Logic do, and it provides out of the box solution for AWS Cloud, Azure Cloud, or Google Cloud. Sumo Logic uses AWS EC2 instance to obtain secure, resizable, and compute capacity. Machine data and analytics is known for busty data and compute uses. So Sumo Logic will centralize all the events, matrices, and logs and present them in a way so that you can easily get insight from it. This is the official YouTube channel for Sumo Logic. Please go and watch the different videos that have been made to understand Sumo Logic, understand its uses. So thank you so much, viewers. I would recommend you to visit this YouTube channel and watch the videos to understand more usefulness of Sumo Logic. Thank you so much for watching Software Circle. This is Jitendra, and in the next video we'll try to see some more tools that will help you and your organization to function well and will help all the development and DevOps team. We'll introduce you to some more tools in future videos. Thank you so much for watching.